Welcome to Word Blenders. I am sifting the flour to remove the lumps. I am sifting the flour to remove the lumps. I am slicing pizza. I am slicing pizza. I am filling my cup with coffee. I am filling my cup with coffee. I am melting the cheese. I am melting the cheese. I am basting the chicken. I am basting the chicken. I am pouring wine. I am pouring wine. I am stirring the coffee. I am stirring the coffee. I am licking ice cream. I am licking ice cream. I am chilling the vegetables. I am chilling the vegetables. I am mixing ingredients. I am mixing ingredients. I am tenderizing meat with a mallet. I am tenderizing meat with a mallet. I am arranging the plate. I am arranging the plate. I am piping cream on the cake. I am piping cream on the cake. I am selecting a wine. I am selecting a wine. I am preserving cucumbers. I am preserving cucumbers. I am kneading the bread dough. I am kneading the bread dough. I am setting the table. I am setting the table. I am setting the timer for the bread. I am setting the timer for the bread. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands.